Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do this realistic formation of Fisher's Animals product. So in the previous videos we have completed this much realistic 3 missions. So it's time for this. So let's read that. FAP is a company that slaughters animals and turns their skin into overpriced products which are then sold to rich bastards, help animal rights activists increase political awareness by hacking their mailing list. So let's rating is moderate, just take this challenge. So here's message along, let me read that. Hello, I was referred to you by a friend who says you know how to hack into computers and hack and websites. Well, I was wondering if you could help me out there. There is this local store who is killing hundreds of animals a day exclusively for the purpose of selling jackets and purses etc. out of their skin. I have been to their website and they have an email list for their customers. I was wondering if you could somehow hack in and send me email address on that list. I want to send them a message letting them know of the murder they are wearing. Just reply to this message with a list of the email address please. The website is done. Thank you so much. So we have to just hack the website and just get the email address which are sending them. So let's open this. So this is let's go to the page source first we search in. So let's we have a mail list. Let's type anything. I am good at the rate, let's say me.com. So they are done, email added successfully. So now let's type anything. I am Ayan and then add this. So here we got an error inserting into table email is not valid, please contact administrator of Fishers. So it telling us a hint as information that a table name is email. You can see that email table is by name email. So as you know that it runs on a PHP server as well as a SQL server. So you have a bit knowledge of SQL language and a SQL injection. We have done on a SQL injection also. So let's go to this for quotes. So here we have a picture of big fairy, this blah blah and this. So here we have category 1. Let's move back and go to alligator accessories. So have products, shoes, purses and belts are made of alligators. So we have category 2. So category is just a simple thing. If you type 1, so it will redirect to that page. So here we are. So it might be a third category also. Let's check that. So we don't have third category. Let's move by one. So now, so as you know that anything we write type anything, it was stored in SQL database. So we have to just check in the SQL databases. So we are going to in, as you know that SQL command is order by anything 1. So it doesn't matter by spacing, just type enter. So here we done. Okay, let's go back and order by 2. So we are in this. Okay, order by 3. Let's check this. Okay, it's changing the pictures. You can see that it columns changing. So first one in this and now it's in the first one. Now let's go back and type order by 4 now. order by 4. So again it changes. Now we'll write last one, let's say order by 5. So here's error. So as you know that it is last one is order by 4. So we have 4 columns. It will tell you the columns. So we have order by 4 last one. Sorry, it's order by 4. Order by 4. So now this is one. So here it is. And now we have a little bit tricky something part. We have to just go to the, so we will just remove these things. In a category 1 we'll write a SQL injection union all select and then 1 2 3 4. So we have 4 columns. So this is a whole column, this column, this column. So we'll enter it. Just loading. Now go back. So here is some information which tell us that it is not in this page. We go to another page. So here's hidden information. So we'll just remove this thing and write union select and remove this 1 by null. So null is just simply not applicable or 0 or nothing. So null and 2 by just say asterisk, it says all. So asterisk means all, everything. So third is null and the fourth is also null. So now enter. Loading. So we got error. Let's go back. So we have forgot to tell you about that where it comes from. So it will give error if you write only this thing. So remember that you have created that email, a table name is email. So type come from email. So from British name from email. So here it is, union all select null comma asterisk comma null from email. So hit enter. So let's go down. Here you can see all emails. So just you have to just copy this thing. I will tell you again something new. So if you write one thing, union all select this and if you remove this null and put asterisk over here, so it doesn't affect anything. And now from email hit enter. So it doesn't affect anything. Just simply copy this thing. Okay, copy and go back to your realistic formation. Okay, one back. Sorry, realistic. So we have to just go to this and we have to send message. So this your name and remove this thing and we have to send message to whom. Let's go to this we have to just so we have to just copy these things. We have to send this message to, so here it is. Just remove this thing and paste this one and just oops, so I forgot to copy the things. So now it's done. Now simply go to send. So here it is, congratulations, you have successfully completed realistic 4. So this is a little bit tricky one, so now a little bit harder will come also. So in the next video I will show you how to do this, damn telemarketers. So stay tuned for our YouTube channel. This is Ayan Ahmad signing off.